Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Laurie. Today is a short video. I mainly want to give you an announcement, and I thought that while I was telling you about the announcement, I would make a page in my All Because of Scraps little journal. If you've been with me a while, you've seen this book. I have a big one that we finished and we're working on the small one. And I'm just going to take a bunch of scraps that I've already got picked out and just create a page while I talk to you. And before I get started with the announcement, I also want to mention that the video part 2 of making papers that is coming is, I have not forgotten. I have a tooth problem that I'm working around, and I've got workshop deadlines, and I'm trying to do everything in time frames when I feel the best until I can get this tooth taken care of. So forgive me for being a little late on that video. Okay, so this workshop that I want to tell you about is called Faith Journaling Collective Workshop, and it is given by Faith Bundles. So you can find at faith.bundles on Instagram. And this is a free faith-based workshop. It's an art journaling workshop, and there are 20 teachers with 20 different lessons. And you don't have to be an artist to do this. You just have to love the Lord and want to be honoring Him and worshiping Him in a creative way. And there's going to be 20 of us that are giving you our perspective on different lessons and showing you how we create. So I really hope you'll join me. There will be a link below the video that you can click to join. It is free. The classes will be separated into 2 days. There'll be 10 on one day, 10 on another day. So on July 21st, 10 classes will be released, and you'll have 24 hours to watch those videos. And then on July 22nd, the other 10 classes will be released, and you'll have 24 hours to watch those videos. If you sign up for the lifetime membership, the VIP portion of the workshop, you will get all the videos released on July 21st. I won't speak for the other teachers, but I believe a lot of them will do this. When you sign up for the free or paid version of the workshop, there will be a free gift. I know that I'm offering a free gift if you sign up for my newsletter. It is a little video that I've not released anywhere else, only to Faith Bundles, so that will be something extra for you. And also, if you sign up for the lifetime access and get the VIP version of the class, then I also have a bonus video for you. If you are thinking about signing up for the VIP classes, then there will be an early bird special offered for that, so be on the lookout for that. And that's so that if you don't have the time to get the lessons in 2 days, or if you just want to take more time and be able to go back and visit whenever you want to, you'll get lifetime access for that. So be sure and look out for that. Be sure to look out for the early bird special, because who doesn't like a special? And I just want to take a second to speak to those on my channel that maybe are not faith-based type people. You don't have to believe exactly how I believe to join this workshop. You are more than welcome to come and join for the free version or the paid version and watch the lessons and just enjoy the art, and maybe hearing us talk about our experiences or how we journal our faith or how we believe. I don't know, maybe we'll answer some questions that you have. I don't know where you are at in your life, but everyone is welcome, and don't feel like you can't join just because you don't share the same type faith that I have. So 20 teachers, that's a lot of teachers, a lot of lessons, a lot of free gifts, and a lot of bonuses. So I think that it would be a lot of fun to have you there. I hope you do come and join us if you do. And I don't know if there will be a comment section below our videos that you get to watch. If there is, pop a note down below and say hello and say that you came to visit, and I will try to remember to answer everybody's comments the best I can. After a certain amount of time, I don't log back in anymore, but while we're live, I will definitely be looking for any comments. And if you join the Faith Bundles group on Facebook, I probably will have a link to give you for that down below. If not, then I'll find out what it is and I'll give it to you as soon as I have it. But you can join there and post your work and share what you're doing. We'd love to see all of your work. And you don't have to create everything. I don't know if I said this early in the video or not, but you know, you might find that something really appeals to you and you really want to go with that, or you want to expand on it, or you want to dive into it more and learn more about it, or you might find that there's something that doesn't appeal to you, so then you know to mark that off your little list of things that you don't need to buy supplies for. So, and most of the things that you're going to be creating in here, you don't need to buy supplies for anyway. You just need to use what you have. That's the encouragement I think that most of us would give you. You may just see something you really love and want to spend a little more on buying supplies for things. I know I do that. When I see something I really like, I always want to buy the supplies so that I can play with them and learn them more. I like to experiment and be creative. So supplies are just, it's one of those things that I like to accumulate. So you probably do too. So I want to take a second and talk about emails that you might be getting from me. If you have already signed up for my email list, then you will be getting emails about this workshop, and then there's another one coming not long after that that I'll be doing and I'll be sharing with you at another time. If you have not signed up for my email, you can go to my website through the link I'm going to give you below on this video, and you can sign up for my newsletter, which I never send emails, hardly ever. The only time I send emails is basically to tell you about a workshop, or if I develop my own, which I do plan on doing in the future, or if I have something exciting to share with you or tell you about. So actually, this workshop that I'm going to be sending emails out on is only the second time I've sent out emails since I've had my email list. So anyway, you can sign up for that email list below at the link I'm going to give you, and there's a free gift there for you as well. It is not the same free gift that you get for signing up on the Faith Bundles workshop. So if you're on the email list now, or if you sign up before the workshop starts, and then you go to the workshop, it will ask you to sign up for an email list again for a free gift. It's okay to do that. You won't be put on my list twice and doubled up on emails. But it does require your email address and stuff like that to get the free gift. So I just wanted to let you know they're separate free gifts. So be sure to sign up when you join the workshop. And it's okay if you're already on the list. It won't double up on emails or anything like that. The system will handle it and say, oh, they're already a member. It just will unlock the access to that free gift that I have for you. I just wanted to make y'all aware of that. So that's about all I have to say, I think. I think I've covered everything on the workshop. If I missed something, I'll put it in the description below. But I just want to say again that I hope that you will join me there. I hope that you will have a good time and create and learn some things, or maybe discover some things that you love to do or don't love to do, and say hey if you do join. So I'm going to say goodbye, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope to see you in the workshop for Faith Bundles. And I will talk to you again later. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.